السلام عليكم.
Salam.
So Sheikh, I was wondering, because some masjids here celebrate events
Well,
such as like the
who's this?
Islamic New Year.
Who's with me?
This is Imad.
Yes, Imad.
Imad. So some masjids celebrate like events such as like the Islamic New Year, Independence Day by like grilling burgers and hot dogs, and like sometimes they also have an event called Halloween, which is basically like on the night of Halloween, they bring kids inside the masjid and like explain why it's haram or play games and give candy. So like, are these events permissible to attend or organize? Jazakallah.
As long as there's nothing haram, there's no problem, inshallah. As long as they're not doing anything that would annoy worshippers or disrespect the masjid, it is permissible. The masjid is an institute that gathers the Muslims, and it has to be facilitating for their affairs, for the youth, for the children, for the families, to get them on board and to try to make them come in this community or society. As long as there is no disrespect of the masjid and everything that is going on is halal and they're not celebrating anything haram, there is nothing wrong in that, inshallah.